आने वाले 1000 वर्ष के लिए भारत की नींव तभी सशक्त होगी जब मैकाले की गुलामी के प्रोजेक्ट को हम अगले 10 साल में पूरी तरह ध्वस्त करके दिखा देंगे।
We needed this message so bad because the mindset of slavery did not end in 1947. It continued through the choices we made after freedom. Right after independence, we copied the British education system exactly as it was. We did not update it. A system built to create clerks, not thinkers. And a system that removed Indian history, Indian science and Indian philosophy from the system. We replaced our own Gurukul model that focused on logic, debate, maths, medicine and real world skills with a system that rewarded memorizing, not understanding. We also kept the same colonial bureaucracy, the same slow files, rigid rules, hierarchy, and people were expected to obey the system, not improve it. And economically, we stopped our own industries from growing. Licensing replaced innovation, private enterprise was restricted, foreign imports became normal, and Indian talent had to go abroad to find a space to create. And culturally, we placed English above our own Indian languages. So mental slavery continued not by force but by habit. And the real tragedy is that we forgot what India was before invasion and colonization. We forgot Nalanda and Takshila, where students came from Greece, China and Persia. We forgot that Panini created the world's first scientific language system. We forgot that our maths and astronomy shaped Arab and European learning. We forgot our medical systems, our water engineering, our metallurgy and our global trade networks. We even forgot that Harappan cities had sanitation systems many modern towns still struggle to match. And most importantly, we once led in knowledge, science, trade and culture. But years of copying foreign systems made us doubt our own ability. So tell me, which part of our modern life feels the most like a colonial leftover to you?